So I'm starting out on freshly washed, deep conditioned, and moisturized hair. I've just split my hair up into 4 sections after I applied my leave-in conditioner and oil to seal it in. And to style my coils, I'm just using the Wetline Extreme Gel, just detangling it with my flexible detangling brush. And then to start my coils, I just start at the base of my scalp and just wrap the hair around my finger over and over until I get a coil that is to my liking, that matches the type of curl that I'm going for. And I just keep doing that over and over. Starting in the front of my hair instead of the back like I would normally do, because I let my hair air dry a little bit too long, and I did not have an extra spray bottle to be able to re-wet the hair. So I'm trying to hurry up and get the front done, because the front of my hair does dry a lot faster than the back, just so that the style could go ahead and set, and it wouldn't look really crazy if I was doing it on dry hair versus damp hair. So I'm just going to do the same process all over my head and then come back to show the final product, and I'm going to let it air dry overnight. So here is my hair after all of the coils are finished. It's super springy, moisturized, and shiny. So I'm just going to throw on a satin bonnet and let it dry overnight. And this is the next day with the hair all dry. So this is me just breaking apart the coils to get the final look, and I'm just coating my hands first with my DIY mixture of oils. This one has olive oil, coconut oil, and a little bit of castor oil in it. And I'm just breaking apart those coils. To get them apart, I just twist them in the opposite direction that I put them in, and then just try to find where the hair separates naturally, and then I just recoil the pieces around my finger to make it a little bit more defined for the pieces that look a little bit frizzy or not as curly as the rest of them. As soon as you recurl it around your finger, they just spring back to life. So I'm just gonna do that, and then just figure out how I want the style to end up looking like. If I want to switch up my part for this style, I didn't really like how the middle part was laying, so I just had to manipulate my hair a little bit for a side part, for it to look the way I want it to look. And you'll probably see me get a little bit frustrated with trying to get it to look just right. I didn't have a pick either, just to sort of pick it out and fluff it up to get it to look the way I want to look. I was just completely unprepared when I did this style. I don't know what I was thinking when I started back on my loose natural journey. I guess I just forgot about all the supplies that I used to use and needed the first time around. But yeah, I'll figure it out.